Hey guys, this is Darren here, and today I have Anker's Soundcore on-ear wireless headphones. These things are apparently amazing. They're currently on sale for £99. However, it is a £50 gift voucher right there on Amazon right now for you to pick up, and you're basically going to get them for £49. Now, this isn't the Prime Day sale, so as you can see, they're already shipping the Amazon packages in their Prime Day stickering, but that starts on Monday and ends on Tuesday. This is basically an Anker sale itself. Anker does their own sales, and they sell amazing products. Now, after reading the reviews, people are saying that they aren't happy with the ANC, but to be honest with you, Anker makes good products, so I'm pretty sure that's just a little setback for them. Not opening them up here, as you can see, it says wireless headphones with ANC active noise cancelling, and the gift set it gives you in a lovely red case. The headphones are in here. You have all the pamphlets and everything in here. Asks you if you're happy. Yes, I am happy. So tell your friends, all that sort of stuff. Share it online. Follow them on Google Plus. Yeah, these are probably old. If it has Google Plus is gone. Probably a warranty pamphlet, which we're not gonna read, and a manual. So let's before we open that, let's open this and see what's in here. So, ooh, they give you. Oh wow. Do not plug into power outlets. Well, this is an audio jack, a two-way audio jack. Okay. I doubt I'll ever use that. What's in here? A micro USB power line. Oh, that is nice. Okay. Let's see in here. Oh, no way. No way. Anker went full out with this gift set. This is one of their new power amps. I'm gonna open that later. I'll show you guys. And then you have another audio nylon cable, 4 feet cable. Wow. Nothing else. This is a beautiful gift set. Wow. Okay, so let's go and filming with one hand is not good. All right, let's open this power bank here. So this is one of their new power banks. As you can see, America's leading USB brand charging brand. And they give you this one right here. I have the old one, but this one is a whole lot better. This one actually holds the charge now. Let's see. Oh, yep, we got a bit of juice inside. So this is the PowerCore 5000. As you can see, 5,000 milliamps. A lot better than the one that I has only 3,500. And the cable's in here with the nice, their little braided case and everything like that. Okay, that's cool. Let's check out this nylon 4-foot cable. Let's see what this looks like. How can I open this with my teeth without breaking it? Oh god, tape tastes so freaking bad. Come on. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, finally got that open. Oh, and it's red. Oh, that looks amazing. It feels good too. 4-foot cable. Nice red braided color. Audio cable. That's nice. Now let's get to the best part. The headphones themselves, which is the easiest to open. And boom. Oh, another audio cable. Okay. Charger. More audio. Okay. Oh, and it has its inner mic as well. Okay. That's nice. But here they are. Oh, wow. They feel light. They feel very light. That's nice. I mean, they're mostly made out of plastic. Don't expect that much metal to be in here. They don't feel that heavy. The cups themselves feel like they would wear away a bit. Oh yeah, just chipping my fingernail and start biting my fingernails. But these look like they would, wear away a bit. But I think that might take a few months. But overall, guys, this is what you get with the headphones. This is the gift set. Go and buy it now. It's only £49. This is not a sponsor. As you can see, my channel is not big enough for a sponsor. But enjoy. I hope you guys like it. And, this is a good gift set. This is a good present you want to give someone if they're looking for a new pair of headphones. You get a power amp, headphones, audio jack, two-way, cable, and another charging PowerLine micro USB cable, which is basically similar to the one that they give you with every similar power amp. But yep. Anyways, guys, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, yada, yada, yada. Like and subscribe. That's all up to you. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.